Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s over number 5. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we got like this. This one we change for u. ds over number 5, that is about du. So the integration of this one, that is about negative number 6 cotangent u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about s over number 5. This is the end. Thank you for watching.